Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Draupadi Murmu paid tribute to Jallianwala Bagh massacre victims. Election Commission introduces home voting for elderly and persons with disabilities. More than 50 SSTS and flying squads have been deployed, says Election Returning Officer SC Sadhu. National President of NPP Conrad K. Sangma holds an election campaign at Killing Village. And Meghalaya unveils Strawberry Festival with full fervour. And now for the news in detail. Senior BJP leader and Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tribute to the people killed in the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919 and shared a video defining the incident and showcasing the unparalleled courage and sacrifice of the victims. In a post on X, Prime Minister Modi said, "On behalf of my family members across the country, I pay my heartfelt tribute to all the brave martyrs of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre." President Draupadi Murmu also remembered the victims of the massacre. The Election Commission of India has introduced home voting for the first time in Lok Sabha election. This initiative aims to make voting easier for elderly citizens and persons with disabilities during the 2024 Lok Sabha election. Now, voters above 85 years of age and PWDs with 40% benchmark disability can choose to vote from home. This step marks a significant advancement in making the electoral process more inclusive and accessible. Over 81 lakh voters are aged 85 and above, and there are more than 90 lakh registered PWD voters across the country. More than 50 static surveillance teams and flying squads have been deployed throughout the East Khasi Hills district to ensure cash allurement does not play any role in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Election Returning Officer and East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner SC Sadhu said their focus in this election is on checking the use of money power and other freebies that can include the voters. He said 51 SSTS and flying squads have been deployed apart from Central Armed paramilitary forces in the district. Reacting to a query, Sadhu said the seizures during the run-up to the poll have increased this time due to effective interception by the teams.
We have, as per the mandate of Election Commission, we have across the district, we have deployed 51 static surveillance teams, the same number of flying squads and video surveillance teams. On top of it, CAPF has been deployed and our sector magistrates and joint magistrates also continuously watching the money flow in these elections. As you all can see also that in comparison to previous election, the rate of seizures of liquor, cash seizures, drugs and narcotics seizures and other seizures have increased.
With just a few days remaining before the Lok Sabha election, Chief Minister and National President of NPP Conrad K. Sangma made a significant appearance today at the election campaign in Killing Village to garner support for Dr. Amprin Lingdo, the NPP candidate from Shillong parliamentary constituency. Addressing the MP election, Conrad K. Sangma praised the positive response of the local people and expressed hope that the NPP candidate would emerge victorious in the Lok Sabha election, bringing further change to Meghalaya as NPP remains a part of the NDA government.
हमारे स्टेट के लिए, अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी के लिए अलग-अलग डेवलपमेंट की स्कीम लाना, पार्लियामेंट में हमारे स्टेट के लिए, हमारे लोगों के लिए आवाज उठाना, ये सभी हमारे एमपी का काम होता है। और इस काम में स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के साथ भाग लेकर, मिलकर एमपी को काम करना होता है। और अगर एमपी कोई ऑपोजिशन दल के एमपी अगर होंगे तो कभी कभी हमारे स्टेट सरकार के साथ मिलकर काम करना मुश्किल होगा और कभी कभी इस मुश्किलों की वजह से जो नुकसान होता है वो अंत में पब्लिक का और स्टेट का होता है।
The National People's Party NPP today organized a public meeting at Maukarwat Southwest Khasi Hills district as part of the campaign for the general election to Lok Sabha, asking the people of Maukarwat Assembly constituency to vote for the NPP candidate Dr. Ampreen Lingdo from Shillong Parliamentary constituency. Addressing the gathering, State President of the NPP and Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Preston Tinsong, said that it is the people who hold the power to choose the MP and therefore urge upon them to be careful and not to be misled by social media.
Kadang cerita ke pertanyaan lakan tuan Jibril hamil Allah siapa jawab kira bertemu tapi boleh tidak aku baru kata masuk surga pasti dan tamam betul dia kata Allah tapi mana.
US President Joe Biden on Friday said he expected Iran to attack Israel sooner rather than later and warned Tehran not to proceed. Asked by reporters about his message to Iran, Biden said simply don't, and he underscored Washington's commitment to defend Israel. Biden said that they are devoted to support and help defend Israel as Iran will not succeed. Israel braced on Friday for an attack by Iran or its proxies as warning grew of retaliation for an attack of Iran's embassy compound last week in Damascus. The much-awaited celebration of Meghalaya's flourishing strawberry fields and rich agro-tourism offerings, the Meghalaya Strawberry Festival commenced yesterday in different parts of the state. In Sintung, East Khasi Hills district, the inaugural ceremony was graced by Isawanda Lalu, Secretary, Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Department. In her speech, she expressed her gratitude to the Sardar, the people and especially the farmers for their hard work through which the strawberries of the village have garnered recognition. In Dara Chigre, West Garo Hills district, the festival was more than just a gathering of strawberry enthusiasts. It was a heartfelt tribute to the hardworking local farmers behind the delicious fruit. Meghalaya Together, a community-based organization established to bring about greater understanding and feeling of oneness between the different communities residing in Meghalaya, has launched its free coaching classes at Laban Assamese Higher Secondary School. There are a total of 4 teachers who have experience of conducting coaching classes apart from teaching. The subjects taught in the program are English, quantitative aptitude and reasoning. The course will last for 3 months with 2 classes a week. The program was launched with members of Meghalaya Together attending, led by the General Secretary Vigonia Nongplo. The much-awaited celebration of Meghalaya's flourishing strawberry fields and rich agro-tourism offerings, the Meghalaya Strawberry Festival commenced yesterday in different parts of the state. The inaugural ceremony of the 2-day vibrant celebration aimed at spotlighting the delicious strawberries of the state kicked off with great enthusiasm and fervor. Here is a report.
In Solia village, Ribhoi district, the Meghalaya Strawberry Festival is a collaborative initiative undertaken by the Department of Tourism and Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, hosted through the Opus Production and the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project. Dr. Vijay Kumar, Commissioner and Secretary Tourism, graced the event as the chief guest. The event aims to promote the flavorful strawberries of the state, agro-tourism and local business centers, as well as influence more farmers to pursue strawberry horticulture.
What we are trying to do through the Strawberry Festival is to integrate these 2 advantages we have. We have tourism, we have the advantage of tourism, we have the advantage of high-value horticulture. So when we do a thing like high-value horticulture crop like strawberry, so we not only sell the strawberry, we not only do value addition of the strawberry, to kind of increase the income of the farmers, but we also connect it with the festival, with tourism, with tourist activities like, strawberry picking, with, experiencing how to make strawberry wine. we connect these two so that the opportunities, both the livelihood opportunities and the enterprise opportunities for the people here, for the people in Shillong, for the people in other places of the state become higher.
This festival had various attractions which included strawberry picking at the farms, wine tasting, jam making, cycling trek to the strawberry farm and workshop on wine making and culinary delights, baking with strawberries, live music and cultural performance. Tourism from other countries and other states had visited and had appreciated the festival. The studio extravaganza unfolded across different regions in Meghalaya, each offering a unique blend of activities.
We saw an Instagram post where it said like there are 3 locations in all over Meghalaya. So this is the nearest to Guwahati, so we just came over and yeah, it's very nice here. All the strawberries, we tried strawberries also. Those are much better than the ones we get in the market in Guwahati. Yeah, it's nice.
The Strawberry Festival is a 2-day event held on the 12th and 13th of April 2024. It is held in the vibrant strawberry field in the villages of Sentung and Noran in East Khas, Solia in Ripoy district and Dere Chikre in West Garo Hills. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 25.6 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 14 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 53% and in the evening 39%. Forecast light to moderate rain is likely to occur at isolated places. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Draupadi Murmu paid tribute to Jallianwala Bagh massacre victims. Election Commission introduces home voting for elderly and persons with disabilities. More than 50 SSTS and flying squads have been deployed, says Election Returning Officer SC Sadhu. National President of NPP Conrad K. Sama holds an election campaign in Kiling village. And Meghalaya unveils Strawberry Festival with full fervour. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.